At ngayon, pupunta kami sa barber shop.
No, you don't want to go.
Oh, you don't wanna go. I don't wanna cut.
Going next week when I get mine. I can tell you that right now.
Okay. Ayaw magpa-haircut ni Santino, so kami ay...
We can go right now if you want to, Santino. It's right here. What's wrong with a haircut? Makes you feel good.
Yeah, mas bigay pogi Santino. I really like my lipstick the pang Barbie yung color. Nya ang lipstick ay ang tayo sa lipstick ay dito Barbie. There you go, our fishing pool. So we're going to fishing today. Today is Sunday. Nice weather. So,
Oh my god.
may hinahanap pa si Sir Mike na I think something
Never mind.
stuff to
Oh my god.
attract for fish. So, ito sa akin, color red.
Oh.
Oh, sira-
Mommy's mine's
Don't break
big.
something.
Mine's
Then
big.
something is color
Mommy.
blue.
Let me check. Stop,
Don't
stop.
break, huh?
I
Same.
think mine's me. No, it's
Sim.
not same. Mine's
Same,
big. Mine's big.
You're... no.
Yours oh,
Same.
same. I forgot.
Sim, eh?
Wait. Oh, just the same. I forgot. Yours mine's big. I wanna make mine big.
Hot weather today, so I like the weather.
Mommy, I wanna catch the big fish.
Hmm?
To catch big fish, you can eat it like this.
So, easy to use lang to. Easy lang siya gamitin.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh,
You use it.
Mm.
It did.
Don't break.
It
Don't break Santino. Daddy tell you that.
did like that. This
We
is both
need to-
big. I want mine big.
Before.
Oh, yours is small.
Hmm. So, marami yan dito. Iba-ibang kulay yan.
I know it's big, but
Iba-ibang kulay. For fishing. Ang haba ng iba. Ang haba ng iba.
Mommy, it's just the same.
Same.
Yeah.
Hmm. Dito na sa Walmart ito nak, no? So marami yung meron din doon sa pagpaunang pasok. Hmm. Ito ba yung price niya? Sa price or no? It's no price. Let me check. No price. We cannot see the price. Ano lang yan sa stream. Okay, try to find something.
Mommy, stop moving.
What Daddy's trying to find. Pain. Hanap na siya ng pagpain sa fish. I like to see him if Daddy's wearing the t-shirt and short. Too much fun. Gusto ko siya din pag ano nang wear ng t-shirt at short. So, what is that? That's the do you like this one? Go outfish all other
One day, son, not today.
To attract for fish.
We'll see how to put the hook on here.
So ito yung mga pain pag fishing, pampain. Ano?
Big deal.
Pampain. Ang gara ng mga pangpain sa amin sa Pinas kaya no. Mga worm na ginagamit. Nakatakot yun hawakan. Kasi maghanap pa kami sa may putikan. So that's it. Ayan. Happy Sunday. Bye. Thank you for watching. So, ito yung mga pangpain sa fish. Pag ito yung gagamitin. Pero mga fake lang siya na fish. That's not real. Yan, ito yung mga gamitin na fish pag mag-fishing. So, dahil bumili kami. So, ayan. Bililihan kami ni Sir Mike. Akala mo totoo yung mga isda na yan. Looks real, right? But it's not real. That's fake. Ang dami. Ayan ito. Ayan o. Na ito yung pangpain para ma-attract yung mga isda. We need 2 pieces. So ayan, nakakuha na si Sir Mike.
That's not real fish.
No, ano? Yan yung pang-attract sa fish, hindi no?
Daddy, those not real.
I know.
You
We
know
don't
that
have to waste
already.
them. Hold on.
Daddy is looks pogi on his t-shirt. With a shirt. And shirt. Pogi.
No.
Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. You know. Kiss mama. Sit down. Sit down na. Ay, nag-video ako.
Fishing boat for a creek within the range of 8 to a half.
Matiso.
On the tide flow, it'll show you what they're about.
Mga pangpain siya. That's it.
Wait.
So, bumili na rin kami ng upuan. Nag-adulit kami, marami doon sa mama niya na iwan namin. So, ayun, bumili kami ng bagong chair. Ano ba naman pag mag-fishing? Tapos, bibili pa kami ng popcorn. There you go, popcorn. Butter lovers. They have also butter lovers flavor. Popcorn.
Chili cheese, lemon.
Oh no. Which butter? The flavor butter.
Hold on.
Okay. Flavor cheese kasi I like, so we're going to find out. I don't know if flavor butter is masarap.
You want something they don't sell, so.
Oh, it's okay. Try the butter. Oh. There's no flavor cheese.
Take the blue one.
Do not play. Just leave. Do not touch. Do not ano. Leave there. Microwave popcorn.
butter,
Okay.
and I'll get you some.
Butter flavor. Oo nga siya. Butter flavor.
Nacho or white cheddar.
The mas...
This is cheese.
Okay.
Sprinkle it on
Nacho
there. to
cheddar.
give you cheese flavor.
This is for popcorn.
Yeah.
Alright, yes. Alright. That's it. So there you go. Ito yung gagamitin natin mag-fishing para ma-attract yung mga fish. Tapos, ito, meron din tayo nito. Ayan, para, lulubog yung alam niyo na yung lobit sa ilalim. Lobit ba yan? So, meron tayong chupa. Ayan. Ayan, dalawang pack. Para sa ating fishing pole.
No. My haircut ain't till next week. You want one?
Ayan,
You
meron
want to
dito
look bad
yung
at school all day?
popcorn, microwave popcorn. Hindi ko na sa
I'm
microwave.
gonna put it right here where I'm at.
Butter flavor. And then, ito yung lagyan din natin ito. Nacho cheddar.